Hi, Peanut. How are you? It's Papa. I'm gonna read you a story, okay? It's called A Skunk in My Bunk. But, look. Hi, I'm a goat. Goat. He's a goat. Goat, coat. A goat in a coat. You got a coat on. I bet you's cold. Now look, a goat in a coat in a boat. What? Goat in a coat in a boat? Then a goat in a coat in a boat. Uh-oh, in a moat. Look at the water. Oh no, I gotta move out of the way. There, that's better. Now what? The boat with the goat in the coat in the moat does not float. He's sinking. He's sinking. Look, he's sad. What is this? Fish and dish. Huh. A fish on a dish. A fish on a dish. What do we have here? Trish. Uh-oh, that's her name. Her name's Trish. Has the fish on a dish. Delish. She says it's delicious. Look at her tongue. Trish thinks the fish on the dish looks delish. Ah. Ooh, Trish got her wish. Now the fish is in Trish. Right there. Look, it's not there no more. He went over here, right there. Who's this? Let me see. Who are you? What's your name? Hi, I am a pig. Pig. Look at that. Pig wig. A pig in a wig. She's got a green wig on. That looks funny. Look at all these. Pig, wig, jig. What? The pig in the wig is dancing a jig. Do, 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 do. They're doing the jig. Doing the jig. Cassidy, do the jig. Do the jig. Okay, next. Let me go over here. What is that? Right there. No, I can't read. Hold on. Cub and tub. What? There's a cub in my tub. What is a cub in a bathtub? What's he doing in there? Cub and tub. Go away, cub. Get out of my tub. He's mad. He's taking that shower. Now what? Tub scrub. Now I'm in my tub. It's my turn to scrub. Uh-oh. Look at that. Cop. That's a cop. And it's a girl cop. Look, the cop is at the shop. A cop in a shop. Cop, shop, pop. A cop in a shop with a bottle of pop. What's pop? That's soda. Uh-oh. The cop in the shop let the pop bottle drop. Look at that. I want to see that. I want to see better. Look at all that mess. Look at all that mess right there. Who's going to clean that up? Who? She is. Hold on. Oh, that's right. That's what I said. The cop used a mop to sop up the pop. Sop means to take it here and put it in the bucket. Now the slop from the pop is gone from my shop. She cleaned it up. Nice lady. Hi, I am a duck. He's a duck. Look, what's the duck in? The duck is in a truck. No, what happened? The duck drove the truck into the muck. Look, he came from here, went through that one, over here. Wait a minute, let me take the path. He went here, up here, go through the mud. I'm through the mud, going through the mud, and then stopped right there. Oh my God. Do you see that? Duck, truck, stuck in muck. Let's see. Now the duck and the truck are stuck in the muck. The duck and the truck are stuck in the muck. This one. Who's that boy singing? What's he doing? What's he doing right there? Huh? My bunk, his bunk, has a smell. That's so bad I could yell. Over here. Why does it smell? I don't know. Can you tell? Cassidy, why does it smell right here? Why? Why does it smell? We're gonna see. No, look at that. Look what I see. Look what I see right there. Oh my God. Skunk and bunk. There is a skunk in my bunk. Look, he's sleeping and stinking. Bunk stunk. That's why my bunk stunk. Hi, I'm a... What's that? That's a knight. Let me move. A night in the night. Look, it's night time. The knight in the night is holding a light. What? The knight in the nighttime is holding a light. A light that's so bright it lights up the night. The knight with the light that is bright waves good night. He's saying good night, everybody. Good night. And all those in sight say good night to the night. Look, it's the duck stuck in the mutt. It's the cub in the tub. It's the cop who spilled the pop. What's that? That's the Trish who ate the fish. There's the goat stuck in the moat. And there's the pig with the wig. Oh, and then the skunk in the bunk. Look, everyone's oh, look, the skunk is sleeping nice, but the boy's got to sleep outside because he's too stinky. The end. I love you guys. Good night. I love you. Mwah.